Good evening students. Once again welcome back with most of the vital problems which I am going to discuss of your class 10 mathematics based on the concept of arithmetic progression. Understand? And in this class I am going to discuss some of the vital and important questions of your Ncert book, exercise 5.2, question number 4, 6, 7 and 8. I hope and you will follow it and practice it, and also at the end of the class some of the important questions has been given to you in the form of assignment, and you also try for that. Here you see exercise 5.2, question number 4, Ncert book, on the based on the concept of arithmetic progression, right? Understand? Look at the problem here. It is say, look at here, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here is the solution. Given that 3, 8, 13, 18 is an arithmetic progression, right? So in the here first term, what is the first term? The first term A is equal to 3. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 8 minus 3, which is 5, right? Understand? Thus A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 5. Let nth term of the given AP is 78. It is asking that which term of the AP is 78. Let nth term of the given AP is 78. So according to the formula of nth term, a general term of AP, we know that n is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d is equal to 78, right? So in place of a and d, use the value 3 plus n minus 1 whole into 5 is equal to 78, right? So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. Here the plus 3 in the left hand side has been transposed, which is 75. Thus we get n minus 1 whole into 5 is equal to 75, and n minus 1 is equal to 75 divided by 5, which is 15. Thus n minus 1 is equal to 15. So and n is equal to 15 plus 1, which is 16. Thus the 16th term of the given arithmetic progression is 78. This is one of the fundamental and simple problem for you, vital problem for you. I hope you will practice it and follow it. Look at the another problem, exercise 5.2, question number 6. Ncert book based on the concept of arithmetic progression, right? Understand? Look at the problem here. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. 11, 8, 5, 2. Look at the solution here. So given that 11, 8, 5, 2 is an arithmetic progression, right? So your first term, the first term is 11, right? And the common difference is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 8 minus 11, which is what? Minus 3. Thus the common difference is minus 3 and first term is 11, right? Thus A is equal to 11, common difference is minus 3, and we have to check whether minus 150 is a term of AP, right? So let the nth term of the AP is equal to minus 150, right? So according to the formula of the general term of the AP, nth term of AP, we know that n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150. Yes or no? Now putting the values of a and d, we shall get 11 plus n minus 1 whole into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Yes, right? Now n minus 1 whole into minus 3 is equal to minus 150, and this plus 11 will be transposed to the right hand side. It will be minus 11, which is minus 161. Thus n minus 1 whole into minus 3 is equal to minus 61, right? And n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 divided by minus 3, which is 161 by 3. Thus we get n minus 1 is equal to 161 upon 3, right? So n minus 1 is equal to 161 upon 3, and n is equal to 161 plus 3 plus 1, after transposition, and n is equal to 161 plus 3 by 3, after addition we shall get 164 upon 3, which is 54 whole 2 by 3. Since n is equal to 54 whole 2 by 3 is not a counting number, the number of terms all of you know always natural numbers. So since n is equal to 54 whole 2 by 3 is not a counting number, so it is understood, clearly understand that minus 150 cannot be a term of the given AP. This is most of the important, also vital problem, fundamental problem for you. Okay, and mostly used to come in your Cbse board paper. I hope you will follow it. Let's see another question for you. Right, exercise 5.2, question number 7. Right, look at that of your Ncert book. Based on the concept of arithmetic progression, we are discussing vital problem for you. Okay, let's see the question here. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, look at the solution here. Let the first term of the AP be A. The common difference is equal to D. Okay, so according to the questions, the 11th term is equal to 38. Yes or no? It means A11 is equal to A plus 10D, which is 38. Equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, 16th term of the AP, which is A16, is equal to A plus 15D, which is 73. Right? Understand? So you get two equations. Understand? And you have to find out 31st term of the given AP. Right? Let's see. Here we got A11 is equal to A plus 10D is equal to 38, which is equation 1. A16 is equal to A plus 15D, which is 73, which is equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 and 2, we shall get, okay, and cancellation here, we shall get here, look at here. After cancellation, you will get plus A, minus will be cancelled, and after cancellation, you will see minus 50, minus 5D, which is equal to minus 35, right? Okay, 10D minus 15D, which is minus 5D, 38 minus 73, which is minus 35, thus 5D is equal to 35 and D is equal to 35 upon 5, which is 7. Thus, the common difference D is equal to 7. Now, putting the values of D in the equation 1, we shall get A plus 10D is equal to 38. Okay? Understand? So, after putting the value, we shall get A plus 10 into 7, which is 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70, which is A is equal to minus 32. Thus, we get first term of the AP is A is equal to minus 32. Right? Understand? Now the 31st term of the AP, which is A plus 30D, putting the values of A and D, we shall get minus 32 plus 30 into D, which is minus 32 plus 210, which is 178. Thus we get 31st term of the AP, which is 178. This is what you have to find out. Thus 31st term of the given AP is 178. This is another simple fundamental problem for you. Okay, very simple problem for you. I hope you will understand it. Okay, understand? So here is another problem for you also, exercise 5.2, question number, last question I am going to discuss, which is question number 8, vital problem I am going to discuss for you based on the concept of arithmetic progression. Okay, dear students, okay, this is another interesting question. Look at the here. An arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term of the AP. This is another important and vital problems for you. Look at the solution here. Okay, so given that, okay, it is, let the first term of the AP is A. The common difference is equal to D, right? Yes, understand? And it is given that third term of the AP is 12, which is A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is 12, right? And since the total number of terms is equal to 50, there are 50 terms, the AP contains 50 terms, so the total number of terms N is equal to 50, okay? Thus, 50 term is the, of the AP is the last term, yes or no? Understand? Okay? So, as per the question, right, okay, last term of the AP is given 106, okay, which is A50. So, A50 is equal to A plus 49D is equal to 106, right, okay, and solving equation 2 equation we shall get, okay. Now, see, the third term A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is 12, yes, and A50 is equal to A plus 49 is equal to 106, okay, and subtracting equation 1 and 2 we shall get here, okay. After cancellation, you can cancel here plus A minus A. Look at here, you can cancel, plus A minus will be cancelled, and after cancellation it will get 2D minus 49D, which is minus 47D, which is minus 94. Okay, since minus 47D is a negative, carrying a negative sign, so we have to make it positive. So minus 47D will be first plus 47D, so minus 94 will be also plus 94. Thus, if minus 47D is equal to minus 94, then 47D is equal to plus 94, yes or no? Then D is equal to 94 by 47, which is 2. Thus, the common difference of the AP is 2. Okay. Now, you can put the values of D. By putting the values of D in the equation 1, we shall get A plus 2D is equal to 12. Yes, A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. a plus 4 is equal to 12. Thus a is equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. Thus the first term of the AP is 8. Understand? Thus we have to find out the 29 term of the AP. Okay, which is a 29. What is the formula? A plus 28 d. Yes or no? So now putting the values of a and we shall get 8 plus 28 into d, which is 8 plus 56, which is 64. Thus we get 29 term of the AP, which is 64. Okay, students. So we are discussing most of the vital problem you are appearing for your board exam. I hope you will take this seriously. Okay, and also practice similar kind of problem. Okay, here is the assignment for you. Look at the assignment here. Understand? Okay, try for the assignment. Okay, thank you for your interest and eagerness toward the class.